Hi everyone, we are going to talk about the WorkSafe dashboard, admin flow, and do a general overview demo for the WorkSafe account. So I'm actually going to log back out so I can talk about the link itself. In order to access the WorkSafe employer dashboard, you do need to go to the link shown above, truecare24.com/worksafe/backend/login. Here you'll see you enter your username, your password. Go ahead and click log in. The reason why I'm highlighting this link is because there have been a few questions regarding the difference between employee access and admin access. This link is for the admin dashboard only. Any other way that you access the dashboard through truecare24.com/worksafe is for the health check itself. It's the employee facing health check. Perfect. So for the admin dashboard, you'll see here that we have our employees for our demo accounts. We have a few options here as the admin. You can filter through the data. You can select any of these to hide the statuses. They're all on by default. So say I want to hide all the not complete. I want to take a look at who's passed their health check, who didn't pass their health check. You can control the filtering options by status right here through these three columns. But additionally, you have other filtering options. You can filter by department, you can filter by location, again, health status, etc. You can do more than one status as well if you want to take a look at, by department and by health check status, etc. It's one way to do it, or by location. So there are a few ways that you as the admin can control this dashboard. One other thing to note is you do have the ability to remind all not completed surveys at any time in the day. You can click on remind all and you can select which type of notification you would like to send. And this will send a notification to everyone that's in the not complete column. Additionally, here you can see in the more column, you can export all to CSV. So if you want to save this data by day, go ahead and export it and save it. One other thing that the admin has access to from this front dashboard view, adding an employee. So say you have a new employee, you want to add a few, or you want to add like a contractor, someone's coming on site, etc., and they need to be screened before they enter your premises. Go ahead and click on add, the screen button, and then one by one. Here you will see you can enter in first name, last name, department, location, etc. You will also, at the end of it, let me show you. So at the end of it, one thing to note here, if you include your phone number, this allows you to send notifications via SMS/text messages. It's not required. We do require email, but if you want to send text notifications, then include the phone number as well. Then do department, worker ID, location. Department is the only thing required. And then you'll create a password. This is just a placeholder password. The employee actually doesn't need it. Once you click add and send invite, it will trigger a registration email for that employee, and they will be able to select and create their own secure password. The other option here is bulk upload. If you want to upload many employees, this self-service option is still under development. So right now the process is to download the upload sheet, email it to services@truecare24, and our admin will upload the employees for you. Perfect. Now let's take a look at admin profile. You click on admin profile if you want to update the business name, contact information, password, etc. Daily reminders. This is where the admin will hang out, probably a bit more than the admin profile. Here you can select your daily reminder schedule. So you can set up the time zone, the days that you want us to send out an automated reminder. Most businesses opt to have that reminder send prior to the shift start by 1 to 2 hours. So that's up to you, but you can select and edit this anytime. The next is if you would like to get notified by email or SMS regarding the statuses of the checks themselves. So if you need to know ASAP when an employee fails their test, for example, you can select that here. You can also select what status is based on passing or just a reminder summary. So you can update what types of statuses you get notified by in real time. So say you uploaded, your new employees, you're just wondering how to trigger that kind of that initial email. Say you sent us the bulk upload list, we upload all of your employees, and now you're ready to go. The way that you as the admin will trigger that invite to all of your employees is the more option and then remind all not complete. This will trigger an email invite to anyone that hasn't set up their account yet, and it'll walk them through the password creation process. So that's all you should do as the admin, is get them entered here. One more thing to highlight, say you entered like an email in incorrectly, like maybe it has a typo, maybe you need to update the phone number, etc. Maybe you need to update the email, like whatever it may be. What you can do is go ahead and click on edit users info, and then just put in the name, like whatever really needs to be updated. So here you'll see that you can enter all of the fields regarding an employee and then save and close it. But that is it for the admin dashboard demo. Feel free to reach out to your point of contact if you have any additional questions. Thank you.